How to make grid photo on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Then search Grid Maker and click on Grid Maker. Install this app. After it's installed, simply open the application, which will look like this. In here, click on Grid Maker. After you click on Grid Maker, select the picture you want to make grid of. Then at the bottom you'll find different options. I'm selecting 3x3 and press on tick mark at the top right. After you have done that, press on Save Grid Images at the bottom. After it's saved, simply open Instagram. In Instagram at the bottom, click on the plus sign. After you click on plus sign at the bottom, select the first image that was saved. Press on next at the top. Press on next and share this picture. Do same with all the picture, post one by one. After you've posted one by one, you'll find your grid image in your profile. This is how to make grid photo on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.